Welcome back to the vlog. I don't know, but for some reason I think I forked this shit up. I think I messed it up. I'm trying to paint the engine cover. I don't know, man. I was trying to match. I don't know. I got this idea to paint the centerpiece, kind of like trying to match the same color of the car. I'm using the same paint that I use on my calipers. Which is not the same color because the color of the car, that's like a tricolor and it's hard to match. So I'm trying to get it close, but I don't know, man. I keep seeing spots. I don't know if it will change after it dry, but I can see like spots. I don't know if you can see on the video, but I keep seeing spots. And even though if I go over again, I still see them. I don't know because of the texture. But you see, I don't know. It's alright, just going under the engine, but I don't know. I was trying to paint this red, and then I put blue tape on all this part. I'm trying to paint all this part black here around it, like I did the emblem. You see, I painted the emblem black, so I put them there on the middle, and then I got the round black. So it was, I think it was a pretty good idea. And now this centerpiece here is gonna be black too. I mean the round area is red, but then the center is black because it's like a rubber in there. I think it was a good idea, but I just don't like how the red turned out. I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna let it dry and everything. I'm gonna put everything on. If it start bugging with me too much, I'll probably take it off and paint it all black. And just go with all black. And maybe try to paint the symbol red. But I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna wait until it dry and I'm gonna put it on the car then later when I'm done and see how it turned out. Because right now I'm not too happy with it. But anyway, I wanna do a short video and show you what I'm doing right now. I get bored and I just start like finding stuff to do on the car. I don't know, that's just the way I am. I always have to be doing some bull crap on the cars. So let's see how it turned out. I'll probably do a video after I got it done, ready and installing the car to keep you guys updated. But anyway, any question or anything, just leave it in the comment section. Yeah, that's the video for today. I really think I messed that shit up though. But anyway, this is our secret. Keep it quiet. Alright, be safe until the next one.